Good afternoon, this is Dennis Gerard from Guaranty RV, and it's an amazingly sunny day here in November. We're going to take a look today at this 2020 Thor 4 Winds 27R. Great floor plan. I think of all the Class Cs that I'm around, this is my favorite floor plan. So let's take a look and see what we have. On the outside here, you can see we have electric awning. We start here with a nice long luggage box. Good place for lawn chairs. As we move around, we have our LP, our exterior TV, secondary luggage box, the LP Quick Connect for your grill. Of course, as many as you know, there's a little trick to that. Got to find the adapter. Here underneath the rear slide out on the driver's side, little longer, little taller storage. Black tank flush, holding tank valves here at the back. We also have storage here underneath in the middle. An additional storage here. I think we all agree the one thing we can never have too much of is storage. So outside shower, hot and cold. 4 kW own-end generator there nestled under the front. One of the things this coach has that I really like a lot, personally, is these outside cameras. They're mounted here on the corner of the mirror. When you bump your turn signal, this will come on. Especially here on the passenger side, allows you to look right back down the side, get a great view of anybody who's kind of squeaked up on you. As we move to the inside, you can see that it does have solar prep ready to go to add panels, as many as you'd like, up to I think 300 watts. Double door RV style refrigerator, pantry with pull-outs, some mixed storage here. Our bathroom in the corner, a nice large bathroom. I think this 27R has everything a family would want. Great sleeping. King bed here in the back. TV. Rear wardrobe with 3 drawers. So that's what makes this 27 so amazing, the amount of storage in it. We have USB ports on the side there. A fold up for the galley, a couple drawers. Here behind the galley, another pull out. We have great bottle storage, whether it be for your wine or whatever your preferred drink is. Overhead storage with adjustable shelves. 3-burner gas stove with oven. One of the things they've done is they gave us this beautiful backlighting here. They also gave us a dish, kind of a drawer here for some grilling. Spot underneath for our trash can. Jackknife sofa, 3 doors overhead, USB with net, TV that'll swivel to the back, dinette that folds down in the bed along with 2 drawers. All based on the Ford V10. Great engine, 6-speed. They've added a couple HDMI and USB chargers there to the front. So, great little floor plan. You know, what a ton of room for a 27. Not only a ton of storage, but a ton of sleeping. So, love to have you give me a call. Dennis Gerard with Guaranty RV, Junction City, Oregon. Thank you very much.